It's super easy to get data into Insight 7. You could upload video or audio files to transcribe, or upload your transcripts, PDFs, text files directly into the platform. Now I'm going to show you how to upload text files across the app. We could set up a new project from the home page and select the files you want to put into a project. And then I can select my files from wherever they are. And then I could just spin off a new project with those files. So here I have a new project with the 3 files I just uploaded. I can also import files from the library. So within a project, I can select files that I already have within my library or from the team library uploaded by my teammate. If you want to set up a new project in Insight 7, it's very easy. You can set up a new project by just clicking plus, or you go into projects and click new project. Once you set a title for your project and click outside, it gets saved automatically. And then you can start to import files from a computer, from Google Drive or OneDrive, or you can transcribe directly into your project. You can also paste text directly into a project. So if you had reviews data, survey data, email data, you can paste that data into Insight 7 directly by using the text box. You just come to upload files, paste text. So I have some review data here. I put a new file name and I save. That's it. My file shows up in the project. I can also upload data directly into the library. I can select from my computer or Google Drive or OneDrive. I can also transcribe directly into my library from different channels. So once you select the video files, it kicks off a transcription workflow, and that's it.